Today I am reviewing KAIGERR LX15PRO Ryzen 750-700U laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a laptop that strikes the perfect balance between raw performance, elegant design, and affordability, the KAIGERR LX15PRO might just surprise you. This sleek 15.6-inch laptop, powered by the AMD Ryzen 750-700U processor, is built for people who want desktop-level speed in a lightweight, portable package. Whether you're a student, a creative professional, or someone who simply wants a reliable laptop for both work and entertainment, this machine delivers serious value. Let's start with the heart of this laptop, the AMD Ryzen 750-700U processor. This is an 8-core, 16-thread CPU based on AMD's efficient Zen 3 architecture. It can boost up to 4.3 GHz, giving you the kind of responsiveness and multitasking power you'd expect from a much higher-end system. Everyday tasks like browsing, working in Excel, or editing documents feel incredibly fluid, but what's even more impressive is how easily it handles more demanding applications, like photo editing, light gaming, or running virtual meetings while multiple tabs are open. Compared to older Intel i7 chips, this processor offers faster load times, smoother multitasking, and lower power consumption, making it ideal for both performance and battery life. Now, paired with this powerful CPU is 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, ensuring that the system doesn't slow down even when you're juggling multiple apps. You can open heavy spreadsheets, edit images, stream music, and have several browser tabs open, and the KAIGERR LX15PRO won't even flinch. The inclusion of a 512GB NVMe M.2 SSD also makes a huge difference. It not only helps the laptop boot up in seconds, but also makes file transfers and software launches lightning fast. You'll immediately notice that responsiveness every time you click or open a new program. Moving to the visuals, the 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display is a joy to look at. It delivers sharp, vibrant colors and wide viewing angles, thanks to its thin bezel design that maximizes screen real estate. Whether you're watching a movie, attending online classes, or doing design work, the panel offers clarity and brightness that feels premium. The AMD Radeon integrated graphics also deserve mention here. While this isn't a dedicated gaming laptop, it can still handle light to moderate gaming surprisingly well. Games like Valorant, League of Legends, and even some AAA titles on lower settings run smoothly, thanks to Vega 8 graphics performance. In terms of build quality and design, the KAIGERR LX15PRO is sleek, modern, and portable. The laptop weighs just around 3 to 4 pounds and is only 0.74 inches thick, making it perfect for carrying to class, the office, or while traveling. The gray finish gives it a professional, minimalistic look that fits any environment. It's durable, too, with a sturdy chassis that doesn't feel flimsy like some budget laptops. One area where KAIGERR really delivers is connectivity. The LX15PRO comes with a wide range of ports: HDMI, USB Type-C, USB 3.2, a 3.5mm audio jack, and even a memory card slot. So you can easily connect your external drives, displays, or accessories without needing extra adapters. Wireless connectivity is also top-notch, with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 built in, ensuring fast and stable internet and peripheral connections. Typing on this laptop is a pleasant experience, thanks to its full-size keyboard with a numeric keypad. The keys have good travel and feedback, making long typing sessions comfortable. The large precision touchpad is smooth and responsive, supporting multi-touch gestures for added convenience. When it comes to audio, the KAIGERR laptop includes dual stereo speakers that deliver clear and balanced sound, suitable for watching YouTube videos, video calls, or casual music listening. Combined with the integrated HD webcam and microphone, it's ready for remote work, classes, and online meetings right out of the box. The battery life is solid for its class, with its 54 watt-hour lithium-ion battery capable of lasting several hours depending on usage. With efficient power management from the Ryzen 7 processor, you can easily get through a full day of light work or several hours of streaming and multitasking before needing a charge. Overall, the KAIGERR LX15 Pro stands out as one of the most well-rounded laptops in its price category. It's not just about having strong specs, it's about the balance of everything: performance, portability, display quality, and modern connectivity. You're getting an 8-core Ryzen 7, 16GB of RAM, and a fast 512GB NVMe SSD in a slim, elegant design that feels much more expensive than it actually is. If you need a laptop for office work, studying, multimedia, or even some light gaming, the KAIGERR LX15 Pro easily competes with big-name brands while often costing significantly less. It's proof that you don't have to spend over $1,000 to get premium performance and design.